My name is Ezra Firestone. I'm the CEO here at Zipify Apps. This is me with my godson, Judah, the sweetest little muffin you ever saw in your life. And yeah, we're here to talk a little bit about OneClickUpsell 2.0, some of the changes we already made, and a big change that's rolling out in the next couple of weeks here. I'd like to tell you a little bit of a story. It's about a company called Zipify Apps. That's us. And first about me, for those of you that don't know me, I've been in the game for a long, long time. I've been an e-commerce merchant since 2005 was when I sold my first cheese on Commission Junction, and I've been in the online game ever since. This is one of my first businesses. Many of you know that I hold the title of America's #1 online mullet wig retailer in 08 and 09, so I'm pretty proud of that. And these are some pictures of me back then, you know, getting on video as a youngin'. This is going on maybe 12 years ago now that these pictures were taken. And since that time, I've sold well over $100 million of my own products online. In fact, I've sold actually more closer to like 150. But what you can see here, and this is of my own products and services, not stuff I've helped other people sell. You can see from January 1st, 2015 to February 14th, 2020, so just a couple days ago, actually in one Shopify store, Boom by Cindy Joseph, I've sold $79 million. And about half of that, a little bit more than half of that revenue was through the application OneClickUpsell. I've learned a lot in that time. So I know what I'm doing, and I've been doing it a long time, and I build this stuff for myself first and foremost as a merchant. I'm a merchant first and a software provider second. And so what I'm building and what we're building here at Zipify is through the lens of being a merchant. And some people say it's all about the numbers. I disagree, but I think it is, you know, there's something to be said about numbers. And you can see 2014 and 2015, we were developing Zipify OneClickUpsell. 2016, we actually launched. By the end of 2016, we only had 700 merchants using our app, but that was a 11,000% growth rate, so we were happy with that. And now we have multiple thousands of merchants using the OneClickUpsell application inside Shopify, so that's really fun. And I just want to, you know, say thank you so much to my team, all my developers, my support team. I want to point out that, you know, software is really hard, especially from a support perspective, and we're going to be talking a little bit about that. I know you're here to learn how I can help you get more from your store with a new feature release that we have for OneClickUpsell. I'm about to tell you about that, but I just want to give my team, because they're going to watch this, a quick pat on the back. You know, in the last 2 years, so it's as far back as I could pull this data, we've had 91,000 inbound conversations from you guys asking us questions, needing help, needing support, and of those 91,000 inbound conversations, we responded in 49 minutes. And, you know, that's one of the things, on average, we respond within 49 minutes, and we close your ticket within 10 hours. And about 94% of you are happy with us, you know. 6% that we messed up on, sorry about that if you're in that 6%, you know. But I just, you know, one of the ideas I had when I got into the software world was that one of the ways that I could add value was by offering free live chat support at every level. No matter what you paid, you could live chat with, and this was not done when I launched Zipify. Now it's somewhat, people are starting to catch the drift, but I was a merchant and I used software and I could never get email support or phone support, and I thought, boy, I just love some live chat. So that was one of the things that we wanted to do at Zipify, and we've been doing that, and I'm really proud of that, and I hope that you're enjoying that, because it's expensive and it's hard, and I think we're doing a really good job of that. So pat on the back for my team. Now, pat on the back for you. Between 2016 and 2020, Zipify OneClickUpsell has processed $998,356,775.64 in orders for Shopify merchants. We're almost $1 billion processed through OneClickUpsell, and we've helped merchants make an extra $68,834,928.85 in upsell revenue. So we have actually earned you have earned yourself, and you've used us as a vehicle to generate more profit for your store, up to the tune of almost $69 million and $1 billion. We'll hit $1 billion this month in revenue processed through OneClickUpsell. It's pretty exciting. And so, you know, that was over a total of 20,047,656 orders, where 3,247,193 people added upsells to those orders. So the app-wide average upsell take rate on OneClickUpsell is 16.1%, and that's an average of $21.19 in extra revenue from each upsell. So those are kind of the app-wide statistics, which are kind of fun. We've come a long, long way since we started, and that's really exciting. So why am I showing you these numbers? Well, because OCU 2.0 is going to grow these numbers for you. Now, OCU 2.0 has been out for a while, but I want to grow these numbers even more for you. I want your upsell take rate to be higher. I want your average upsell revenue to be higher. I want your conversion rate on your checkout to be higher. I want you to make more money from your store. That's the whole point of what I'm doing with Zipify, is helping you get more from your store. Everything I do is in the direction of how can you get more for your store, because that's what I'm always thinking about. And by the way, I'm not joking about being my #1 customer. This is Boom, my shop. And you can see that, OneClickUpsell has made us $3,273,585 in extra revenue through upsells, $4,700 today. And if you look here, we are the #1 store on the entire application when it comes to money made through the app. And we're the #2 store on the entire application when it comes to completed orders through the app. So I really did build this for myself, and I'm really proud to be the #1 most successful merchant using the app. And so, I'm always looking at how can I make it better. Let me remind you some of the ways that things have changed, and then tell you about what we just built that's about to roll out that is super exciting. So first and foremost, we changed our upsell offer pages to convert better, to be far more mobile optimized, to be more flexible, to have a visual editor, and they're incredible. We've also added static funnels where you can have a real clear upsell path. It used to be only dynamic funnels. Now you get to set your own funnels, which, you can choose the priority. You can set exactly what's going to be upsold for a given product. So you can optimize that funnel. You can set priority based on products where it's like, hey, if Boomstick Trio's in the cart, show the upsells for Boomstick Trio versus Boomstick Color if it's in the cart at the same time. So you can do all that. You can split test now, so you can optimize average order value at every step, and that gives you database decision making. And by the way, I think that 2 upsells and 1 downsell is the best upsell funnel that you can have. And what that means is, you offer someone a post-purchase upsell. If they say yes to that, you offer them another upsell. If they say no to that, you offer them a downsell. So no matter what, they see 2 offers. If they say yes to the first upsell, they see the second upsell, they can say yes or no, then they're taken to the thank you page. If they say no to the first upsell, they're offered a relevant downsell, and then they're taken to the thank you page. So no matter what, they see 2 offers. With OneClickUpsell, you can add a third one, make them see 3 offers. I think the best funnel is 2 upsells and a downsell with split test. One of the other things that I had not announced before is that we added page carousels, and this is automatically going to populate. What you'll notice is there's already 2 images preloaded from Shopify of the ability to have 10. On mobile, it's going to show like that with the little, what do you call this? These are the carousel on mobile where you see the dots, right? And you've got the ability to swipe as well. Well, that's because this product in Shopify has 2 images already in it. It doesn't have more images than that, but it's going to preload your Shopify images to that carousel. You could, of course, add images if you want. You could, of course, add in a video at the end of the carousel. You could autoplay that video. So we've made a lot of updates to the layout. And just to show you, look at how many people are clicking this call to action button here on the upsell offer page. So we added carousels. That's really fun and awesome. Let's talk about the new addition to the post-purchase, to Zipify OneClickUpsell, which is pre-purchase upsells. And I'm going to go to this product. I'm going to add it to the cart. So I want to show you this function, is what happens when we do an upsell on the actual cart before they go into checkout, right? So here I have Boomstick Color in the cart, right? When you click checkout now, I'm saying upgrade your cart and save. Hey, this bundle product, our 3 sticks, will replace the Boomstick Color in your cart. Upgrade to a Boomstick Trio, get all 3 sticks and save $5. That's a $6 savings. Yes, I want to upgrade my offer. No thanks, proceed to checkout. So that's an in-cart upsell. And on mobile, it's even more beautiful. It just slides right in there and they can say yes or no. And this is doing super well for us. Now, OneClickUpsell has 2 options currently. You can replace an item in the cart like we're doing here, and I'm going to show you a second one, but first let's go ahead and say yes, I want to upgrade. And then you'll notice that what's going to happen is that's going to load the checkout with Boom Gold and Boomstick Trio. right? And then I've got my little bit of text here in the one-click upsell checkout. So I've actually, and it says special offer. Look, you're getting this special offer inside the checkout. And then it's going to trigger the normal upsells that I have for Boomstick Trio or Boom Gold, however I have those set up. So you're still going to see the post-purchase one-click upsells. This is working so well for us. Now, check this out. I'm going to open a new incognito window here just to make sure it fires, because I may have it set to only fire one upsell at a time. I'm going to add, let's say, Boom Nectar to my cart here. And now I'm going to check out. Look at what happens. Hey, why not try our Shine Controlled Moisturizer too? Add Boom Cotton to your order. You can get a 4 ounce or an 8 ounce, a little bit of sales copy about it. Yes, add to my order. The difference there is this is adding a product to the cart. It's not replacing a product in the cart. It's actually adding one to the cart, right? So there's 2 ways you can use these pre-purchase upsells. I want to show you the statistics quickly and show you how well this is working. So I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up. Upsell funnels, and I'm going to click pre-purchase, sort it by views. You can see Boomstick Color here. If I click on Boomstick Color, it's the first one I showed you. This is my Shopify cart, where it contains a product with the tag color OCU, and I've got an upgrade offer here where it's saying upgrade to the trio. I'm not even running a split test on this. I should be, because you can split test these pre-purchase upsells the same way you can split test post-purchase upsells. 10,000 views, 2% have taken it, $15,000 in additional revenue, $1.45 more per visitor who's seen this offer, adding in that pre-purchase upsell. Let me go back to the pre-purchase, sort it again by views. Let's take a look at Boom Nectar, because I'm running a split test there. Look at this. Boom Nectar, I'm saying, hey, I want to split test Boom Silk versus Boom Cotton. Boom Silk has and we saw Boom Cotton when I added Boom Nectar to the cart. It showed the upsell offer for Boom Cotton. But look at the difference in conversion rate. 3.5% versus 3%, $649 versus $488, $2.08 a visit versus $1.32, right? So the same split testing that you can do post-purchase, which we have going on for Boom Silk as well, you can do pre-purchase in the cart. Let's take a look at one more here. You can see 2%. Look at this, 8% take rate, $3 a visit on this one. This is a super powerful upsell here. I'm going to go ahead and edit this offer page so you can take a look at it. Hey, why not try Boom Clean too? Add Boom Clean to your order. Boom Clean and Boom Scrub, they're an ideal match. You probably want both. Yes, add to my order, no thanks. Here's what it looks like on mobile, right? And then you have the same intuitive offer page editor. You can put this at a discount. You can say, you know what, make it a 10% discount that they're going to get if they add this into their cart. And then what will happen is it will automatically enable that discount for you and add it to the product. So you can set that discount. I don't have it at a discount. I have no discount set, but I am hiding it if it's already in their cart, right? You can change the content in here. You can modify the appearance of the layout. You can enable a timer if you want, just like you can on the post-purchase. You can disable or enable that timer. It's a little more flexible. You can modify the purchase buttons, the hover state. It's really, really incredible, the layout of this pre-purchase upsell. And we've been split testing this, tested a bunch of layouts. This is the winner. So the way that you would do this is you'd go to any upsell funnel that you have. I'll go to one that I haven't added one to. Let's say Boom Gold. You go into this upsell funnel, and then you can choose a product for your pre-purchase upsell. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a product. You get 2 options. Add a product into the cart, so add a product they don't have, or upgrade an existing product in the cart, right? So basically upgrade Boom Gold to maybe a bundle that also includes Boom Gold. To make it easy, I'm going to copy an existing offer. I'm going to copy the offer from Boom Nectar because they're very similar products. And I'm going to copy the Boom Silk, add Boom Silk in because that one's working better on Nectar. So now that offer is going to be in there. And I'm actually going to leave this live. I've been meaning to go ahead and set up an upsell for Boom Gold. But let's take a look at, let's edit this offer page. So I've got the main Shopify image here. I can change it to my own image. I can upload my own image if I want, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it as the Shopify image for now. I can have a border around that image or not. I can force a variant. I can say only 4 ounce or only 8 ounce. Or in my case, I'm going to go ahead and let them choose which one they want. The offer is not going to be discounted, so I'm going to leave it, but I could, if I wanted, put a percentage discount of, let's say, 15%, and then that would dynamically add that discount into their cart for them. But I'm not going to offer a discount. I'm just going to say, hey, why not try our most popular moisturizer as well? Add Boom Silk to your cart. I'm going to hide it. If it's already in the cart, I don't want to show it. I'm not going to modify this content because this copy is working extremely well on my other upsell offer. I'm not going to modify the appearance. I could add a timer, but since I'm not giving a discount, I'm not going to add the timer. I think the timer is more relevant when you're offering a discount. Make sure it's looking good on mobile. Yes, it is. And I'll get rid of that timer. My purchase buttons look the way I want. I could change the color if I wanted of the button to maybe black, maybe I'll try that for this one. And I'll have my no thanks, proceed to checkout, and I'll go ahead and save that. And now that is in there. Now I'm going to create a split test. So I'm going to split test the same product, but in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit it and I'm going to force the 4-ounce variant. So now you'll notice the only variant is 4 ounce. They can't change it. And I'm going to change the offer. I'm going to leave the offer as it is, but I'm going to change the content. Hey, why not try our most popular moisturizer? Add Boom Silk 4 ounce. 4 ounce to your order. So now that's clear. And then I'm going to leave everything else as it is and leave the appearance as it is, leave the purchase buttons as it is, save this, and now what I have going on, I'll go back to this, is I have them choosing their own versus the 4 ounce, and I'm going to start that split test. And basically what it's saying is, hey, if you already have statistics on this upsell, by starting a split test, it's going to reset these statistics. So I'll go ahead and click continue, and now that split test is live. And now if I add Boom Gold to my cart, so I'm going to go ahead and do another new incognito window here, and I'm going to go to my site, and I'm going to shop. And I'm going to add Boom Gold to the cart. Go ahead and I'm not going to check box include Boom Silk because this is the upsell that's in the cart as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the cart. And I'm going to click checkout now. And there it is. Hey, why not try our most popular moisturizer? I'm getting the variant of the split test that has all 3 options available. And then I'll go ahead and click yes, add this to my order. But then I've got my checkout there. So these things are working extremely well, and they're going to make you, in our case, between $3, between 77 cents if it's not done that well, and $3 per visitor. So it's a real significant improvement in our application, which is, just look at the last 7 days, which it hasn't been running for 30 days on our store, and we were running it just not with OneClickUpsell. We'd hard-coded it to test it out, and then once we'd proven the model, we built it into OneClickUpsell. So that's why the data is only showing for the last 14 days or whatever it's been running. But in the last 7 days, 17% of our upsell revenue is coming from those pre-purchase upsells. They work so well. They're so powerful, and we are consistently updating them. We've split tested this extensively. Obviously, you see the amount of volume that Boom has. Look, I've done $4,900 in upsell revenue today alone, right? So Boom has a ton of volume, and I always roll it out onto my store first. I'm the first guinea pig. I'm the first person to test these features. I never let you have something I haven't tested myself. So that's why I'm doing it that way. And, one of the other things I want you to know is that I'm working really, really hard to be best in class with both Zipify pages and OneClickUpsell. I'm constantly looking at how to innovate, how to make my apps better, how to make my team better, how to serve you better. Really appreciate you being a customer. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for letting me build apps that you use on your store. And please know that I'm doing everything in my power to, continue to improve my applications, to take your feedback and make the best apps that I possibly can. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you use our pre-purchase in-cart upsell feature, and very much look forward to catching up with you on another call soon. My name is Ezra Firestone. I'll see you soon.